Repairing e115 code for Bosch double oven.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
4 years and HPL 355 UC/09.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yep.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. E115 means there is a temperature regulation error. Now if your temperature is definitely too hot, the sensor is reading properly because it's telling you there is a problem regulating the temperature. Unfortunately, that means that your relay control board is acting up and either a relay is sticking or it's just not reading something correctly. Either way, the relay board needs to be replaced. If the temperature isn't too hot when the error occurs, replace the sensor because it thinks the temperature is above 550 degrees inside the oven. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
The lower oven operates fine. Is the board separated by the control knobs?
Yes, understood. They run on completely different circuits, so one oven won't affect the other oven. Since the washer still fills and drain, it means that your motor coupler has broken. This is an inexpensive part, and if you're handy you can replace the part yourself. Below is a link to the motor coupler and a video at the bottom of the link which shows you how to replace the part yourself if you want it. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Are we talking a complete motherboard replacement or just the relay?
The entire motherboard. You can't replace just the relay, unfortunately. The part number is, and below is a link to where you can order the part. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thank you.
Not a problem, but I'm sorry about the bad news.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.